guys, my name is Birdarang and welcome to my channel Fun with Birdarang. So today we are going to make a Birdarang. Ta-da! So without any delay, let's see how we make this Birdarang. So first we will ready a pattern. You can go to Google and see an image of a Birdarang. Now we will draw this Birdarang. We will draw this pattern on the cardboard. We need one will draw here and here. So we will draw with a pencil. I drew the sample on the cardboard. See? Now we will cut it using this knife. Cutting is done. And we didn't cut all we drew two circles up. It will be drawn. We'll not cut it. We'll just cut this and this too. And for this also we'll do same. See? But we will not attach it like this. Not like this. We will flip it and it will attach it like this. Now to make the edges sharp, we will use the tape. See, the whole part will be up and this whole part will be down. So it will be attached like this. And now we will add tape. Before keeping the tape, we will we'll press the edges like this. Now we will keep the tape. Like this. We'll do again like this. I still tape wherever we can see the edges like this. This one. I covered the tape there. See? Our Birdarang is ready to be colored. So I'll use the color red, green and black. So let's color. Okay. We'll color this part in red. Like this. I did it in red color on both the sides. Now I will let the red color dry. Now in here, in these holes, we will color it in green. And here I will draw 2 circles and this, and color it in green. Once I did one side green color, now we will draw these 3 same this side and even in the back side. Then we will color it. Here we'll draw it and color it in red, and here we will draw it and color it in green. The red color didn't dry yet, so instead of drawing, first we will color this part in black. Like this. See, I colored it in black, and the red color is also dried. So now I will draw this here. See, I drew the circles and this. Now here I will color it in green. I colored this in green. Now I will let it dry. Our Birdarang is ready. See this? Whoa! Ooh. See? This is hole, and these are holes. So, I hope you loved the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe it yet. Goodbye.